This morning, McLaren Healthcare reeling from a cyber attack disrupting all 13 of its Michigan hospitals, plus its network of 113,000 medical providers across the state and in Indiana and Ohio. As of right now, it's unclear if any patient or employee data is compromised, but this cyber attack comes as the second one within a year for McLaren Systems after a ransom gang known as Black Cat claimed responsibility for stealing 6 terabytes of data, including personal information of more than 2 million patients. But in this most recent cyber attack, ambulances diverted, appointments canceled, lab results unavailable, all of that. Those are just some of the impacts patients are dealing with this week. And once again, emphasizing the importance of strong cybersecurity. And to my right, a live look right now over Macomb County, Michigan, not too far away, is one of McLaren's hospitals, trying to get systems fully restored still this morning. We'll continue to track developments on this most recent cyber attack right here at the live desk.